YouTube channel, and this is my very first YouTube video. So let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Sanim Bhardwaj and I'm a makeup artist. I began makeup artistry about 3.5 years ago. I watched a lot of makeup tutorials and YouTube makeup videos, and I dolled up numerous bright and so many beautiful women. And this is what my channel is also going to be about. I will be posting a lot of makeup tutorials, tips, tricks and techniques of how to do makeup. I would be doing product reviews, not just beauty product but products in general, and I would be doing a lot of exciting giveaways. But before we get into details, I thought I should share a little about myself. Well, how I would describe myself is I'm a decisive person. When I decide to do something, I put my heart and soul into it, and I mean there's no stepping back from it until I'm satisfied. Secondly, I am appreciative of effort. Whenever I see effort, I appreciate it, I encourage it, and I believe until you put in efforts, I don't think you would yield results that you want. Thirdly, I'm a positive person. I do get negative thoughts, I do get discouraged, but I quickly brush them off. I switch back to positivity and I step back on my feet, and that is one thing that I like about myself. Well, I like dancing, I like watching movies, I love cooking. I mean, whenever I'm free, I get thoughts about trying out new dishes. I love cooking. I like listening to music when I'm alone, when I'm relaxing. I like listening to music then. I like shopping. I mean, who doesn't? Even men do. They just disagree, but everybody loves shopping. I love shopping. Well, I got married about 1.5 years ago to my school time love, and it's been 11 years since we've been together. Okay, this is going to be helpful for brides and brides to be, because I would be posting a lot of videos that would help brides overcome the cold feet that they get during wedding days. I would be sharing tips from my own personal experience of how to handle and manage everything from decor to wedding outfits to makeup to jewelry, everything. And I would be doing videos that would help them being chilled out at the same time and relax and enjoy every moment, because these moments are not coming back, and you brides are going to cherish this for your entire married life. As for my education, I did my graduation in English Honours from Delhi University, post which I learned and gained diploma in the Spanish language, and I got placed with Chile Embassy. But job was not my cup of tea, so I left the job and I started pursuing makeup artistry, and since then I haven't looked back, and here I am. Well, coming back to the channel, why I'm starting this is so that I could help you guys who do not know makeup, who are not aware of beauty products, or even those who have never owned a beauty product ever in their life. I could help you with makeup tutorials that would give you basic techniques of makeup from scratch, to even those who know makeup but they want to try out different styles, because there are varied styles and ways of doing makeup, and I respect each one of them. So I thought it would be interesting to share mine with you. You guys might learn something new out of my makeup videos, a new technique maybe. And I would be doing product reviews, not just beauty products but general products, and so that when you guys go into the market and purchase a new product, you know which ones are worth buying and which ones are not good enough to invest in. And well, I also started somewhere. I also started at point zero, but watching makeup videos and tutorials helped me gain a little bit of expertise in the field, and this is what I'm aiming to help you guys with also. So what are you guys waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends so that they could also learn something new from my videos, and they could also be a makeup pro, and they could also be a part of exciting giveaways that are coming very soon your way. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the notifications so that you guys know when my next video comes. So take care, see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.